for the most part, this can go from 0 to eye infection real fast. Hey guys, founding fathers here, Kira. That's not, I'm not really a founding, I look like one. I look kind of ridiculous today, but whatever. Guess what? There's no Christmas tree in the background. Yay! Okay, moving on to the actual video. Today, I am doing swatches on all of the Colourpop BFF mascaras. I'm not wearing any makeup right now because I don't know if you guys have ever tried to take mascara off without making a mess, but it doesn't work, ever. No foundation? No, just eyebrows because y'all don't want to see that. It's not what we're here about on this channel. So I'm actually going to be doing black last because I'm going to be doing just a very quick simple look, and I'm going to be doing a wear test. So I'll come back tonight. It is now 1:30 p.m. Alright, because I don't know how these stain or don't stain, I'm just going to go from lightest to darkest. So I'm going to start with the yellow mascara, and then we're going to work towards the black one at the end. As you guys can see, this area right here is starting to get really irritated. I don't know if it's this cleanser, so I think what I'm going to do is just switch over to a regular oil makeup remover and see if that works any better or just as good. Okay, you guys, I forgot how to put on mascara because this got all over my lid. I mean, it could have been like the oils left over in my eyelashes that were kind of making it a little bit more runny, but for the most part, this can go from 0 to eye infection real fast. So just keep that in mind. This one probably isn't one of my favorites. This one looks like a hot mess right now, you guys. Alright, you guys, I went ahead and just did the full face of makeup and put on the black mascara. So, the black mascara looks like this on both eyes. It actually is really beautiful. I feel I only needed a few coats of this, and I feel like my lashes look really nice and long. And I don't know if you can see it here. I don't know where my mirror is from earlier. It's lost somewhere. So anyways, I will come back tonight and let you guys see how this held up. I did set my under eyes, and I just did a really simple look, nothing crazy. So because my under eyes are set, we'll see how that flakes off onto it, or if it flakes at all, because that's an important factor with your mascaras, is if it flakes off over time. So I will be back in just a minute. It'll be several hours later, but I'll be back so you guys can see all this. Alright, I am back, and y'all, my background is really dark right now because I haven't set up my umbrella lights. I just redid my background here, and I haven't added my background lights. So, but that's okay, because it's just all about the face. Wrong way. Okay, so this is for the mascara. 12/23, so it is the next day. And I tried to wear it as long as possible. And if you guys can see, don't mind the concealer. The concealer sucks, but the actual mascara held up beautifully. Like, it didn't flake at all. There's no flaking, but there is a little bit of smudging under this side here. But other than that, yes. I love this mascara. It's absolutely beautiful, and with these colors you can create so many fun looks, so I would highly recommend it. But that is all for this check-in in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! Ouch. Ah! Well, I mean, now it looks like my eye's bleeding, so